Welcome back to another episode of Yankee Liv'n. Brad here. Well, it's early spring. Well, it really isn't early spring right now. As I'm speaking, it is June 2nd or 3rd, but this is some older footage that I had in and I didn't get out in the springtime, so, well, I'm getting it out to you now. That green little bunch of greenery in the middle of the field there is, well, exactly what you're seeing right there with little buds on it. And it comes out early spring, and well, it's one of my first signs of spring. It's a beautiful view outside my window. You know, I can get up in the morning, first thing in the morning, when it blooms, and what a beautiful sight. The Marsh Marigold. Like I said, wet areas, very early, and well, it's just a beautiful sight. Almost as pretty as the running of the yardbirds. Come on, guys, you're burning daylight. Move it along. Yeah, and always bringing up the rear. Little Red. Think she had a little bit too much to drink last night. She's moving kind of slow. Alright, I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. And if you are enjoying it, hey, hit that old thumbs up button for me. It means a lot to me. And if you're new to the channel, hey, think about subscribing. And don't forget to hit that old notification bell at the same time to get all the notifications to up and coming videos and whatnot. That'll just about do it for this video. Wherever you are in your neck of the woods, be it morning, noon, or night, I hope you're all having a great one. Be good to one another. God bless, and take care.